Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to let you know how you can use effects in Wondershare Filmora in your video. And first of all, what I am going to do, I am going to open a new project. As you can see, I have opened Wondershare Filmora and I am going to click on new project. As you can see, here is the home menu. You can also say as it is also, you can see as interface of Filmora. So what I'm going to do, I am going, here is the option of drag your video, clips, images or audio here. So I'm going to add some clips. So let's try this one. So I'm going to open these 3 clips. Okay friends, what you can do, I'm going to firstly drag cute cat, and I'm going to come up with this. As you will drag your file, you will see there are two you can say as options, two resolution frame rates. First one is 1280 x 720 with pixels with 60 frames per second, and the second one is by default 920 x 1080 pixels with 25 frames per second. This is according to my media file. My media file is only 1280 x 720 pixels, but this one is according to my project setting. Project setting is set, you can set your project setting from your Wondershare Filmora. I am going to open with this one, and it is also, you can also make an idea, it is the dimension of YouTube videos as well. Without wasting any time, I am going to let you know, I am going to apply effects. Here is the effects button here, and what I am going to do, I am going to click on effects, and if you double click on it, it will open in front of you. Okay friends, you can see there are many effects here, and you can apply any effect, and you will see wonderful result here. Here are some blur effects as well. Let's suppose my dimension, let's suppose my video is of this size and I want to add some blur in this screen. Let's suppose my video is of this dimension and I want to add some blur in its background. What I can do, I can simply drag this basic blur in front of me, and I will move it to like this one. So let's do one more thing. What I'm going to do, sorry, let me attach my keyboard because I forgot to attach my keyboard. So I have done. Now what I am going to do, I am going to make some changes. I am going to make its resolution. So please wait for a few seconds. Sorry. Okay, done. Let's suppose my video is of this dimension. I have cropped my video and I added basic blur. Now you can see it is looking very beautiful. I can drag it to my whole video. Basic blur has been added in my video now. As you can see, I'm going to play this video. So you can see the basic blur has been added. It is a type of effect, you can say. So I'm going to undo all of these steps. I wanted to add one more thing. I wanted to make it to white and black. Oh my god, how beautiful and shady type of color this is. It is just looking a very night scene, sharp night, you can say evening scene or morning. Okay man, this is a old video type. Yeah, it's only old video because it is also named as old video filter. It looks quite beautiful, man. Oh my god, how beautiful it is looking now. Okay, you can see here are many beautiful effects as well. I'm going to delete this one and I'm going to come up with this. Oh my god, it is a rainbow type. I think it is a rainbow effect. Let me see what's name is this. Okay, but you can see it is not looking quite better, but a very simple type of effect. I just want to show you, you can try according to your condition. This is a very cute type of cat, and I wanted to add this type of effect. Oh my god, what type of effect this is like, man. These type of effects are often used when you remember when you're watching some video and they give a, you can see as playback, and they took you to, they oh really, they take you to the old memories. So they apply these types of effect, and these are very useful. I think you must try it. I think this is canvas type effect, also looking very beautiful. Oh man, stunning effect. I like it very much. So there are many beautiful effects like this one, but I think this will not be applicable now, because I do not have such dimension. Many effects you can choose according to your own. Okay, I'm going to cancel this one because it is not available, so I will have to download this, and I do not have much time. This one is also not available. So friends, you can see these are very beautiful type of effects. And what you need to do, you just will click on add button. My internet is not fast, so I am going to skip this step. Okay, all of these are not available, man, sorry for it. This is a crop effect, also not available. 70s. Okay man, let's check what type of effect is this. Oh, so beautiful. It's rainy type of effect, stunning. Let's suppose you apply this one with this one, it will present a look of about 90s video, really black and white. So I think you will get some idea how you can apply effects to your videos. I will see you in the next video. Until that video, take care, bye bye.